The week started with significant events at the Irkutsk aviation plant, where Andrei Boginsky, the CEO of Yakovlev, inspected the MC-21 project. These days, the experimental MC-21 aircraft, with tail number 73055, is the subject of intensive work. The chief executive closely monitored critical activities in the final assembly shop's operational schedule. The unofficial Yakovlev's Telegram channel shared this information. The message indicates that systems testing is currently underway to guarantee the aircraft's successful first flight. The electrical power system is receiving particular attention, as it is a critical component and substantially influences the timing of tests on other systems. The MC-21 aircraft's reliability and safety are the primary objectives of the team, which is committed to ensuring that it complies with all industry standards and requirements. To prepare the aircraft for flight, the Yakovlev team and their suppliers face a significant amount of work. Nevertheless, there are apprehensions regarding the timely delivery and readiness of essential components from partner companies, which impedes keeping to the planned schedule. During the Managing Committee meeting on external cooperation on April 25th, the MC-21 project manager presented the initial plan to launch aircraft 73055 to evaluate partially import-substituted systems. Anatoly Gaidansky, the first deputy CEO of Yakovlev, underscored the significance of collective efforts by all participants in the process, reporting plans to finish flight preparation by the end of June. In order to expedite the commencement of flight tests, Andrei Boginsky vowed to consolidate the efforts of numerous Yakovlev's departments. In particular, it was assigned the responsibility of assembling joint teams from the Engineering Center, IAZ, and the Integration Center, as well as the Aerospace Systems Design Bureau, to carry out work on the power supply system and provide assistance with the testing of other systems. This fresh strategy enabled extensive collaboration among a variety of groups in anticipation of forthcoming tests. Optimizing processes was necessary to expedite the prospect of flight commencement and ensure efficient task completion. Alexander Sergunov, the technical director of IAZ, and the MC-21 program management engaged in productive discussions. New opportunities for system integration were identified, which would considerably reduce the time required to commence factory finishing tests and flights. The timelines for preparing for the MC-21's first flight in its partially import-substituted form are pushing all parties concerned to operate at their maximum capacity. The director of the MC-21 program, Alexander Dolatovsky, is optimistic about the task's completion within the next few months. Nevertheless, a number of obstacles are emerging on the way to completion. The portal, Russian Aviation, anticipates that the installation of the cable network on the MC-21 310 aircraft with tail number 73057 and the completion of domestic component deliveries for the first flight will not occur until the end of 2024. Alexander Dolatovsky emphasized the importance of coordinated collaboration among the design bureau, facility, and suppliers to ensure the successful completion of this ambitious project. The 12th MC-21 aircraft is expected to resolve its present issues and progress to the final stage by mid-October. However, it is becoming increasingly challenging to predict the precise date of the first flight. This is a result of the necessity for stringent control over the quality of work and deadlines, in addition to the technical complexities. Nevertheless, it is anticipated that the first flight of the MC-21, in its updated form, will be a fruitful outcome, thanks to the perseverance and dedication of all project participants. Now, do you think the struggles of flying import-substituted MC-21 is comparable to the Western projects, or it is unique to this project? Let us know in the comments. Please like and share the videos and subscribe to the channel. Please also take our memberships to encourage us.